Hello and welcome to Tech Bites with Leena, your go-to space for learning technology, analytics and career skills that matter in today's data-driven world. If you're just starting your journey as a data analyst, you've probably heard a lot of new terms like ETL, KPI and normalization and wondered what they actually mean. In today's video, we'll break down the top 10 essential jargons and definitions every fresher data analyst must know. By the end of this session, you will be able to understand and use these terms confidently in your interviews and workplace discussions. Let's get started. Core data concepts. Data cleaning. Data cleaning is the process of removing errors and inconsistencies from your dataset. It includes steps like deleting duplicates, correcting typos, and handling missing values. Clean data ensures that your analysis is reliable and insights are accurate. ETL. Extract, transform, load. Now, ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. The process used to gather data from multiple sources, reshape it for analysis, and load it into a database or dashboard system. It's one of the foundational concepts in data engineering and analytics. KPI, Key Performance Indicator. A KPI is a quantifiable metric that measures how well an organization is achieving its objectives. Examples include sales growth, customer satisfaction scope, or profit margin. As a data analyst, your role is to track, interpret, and report KPIs to help drive business decisions. Analytical and statistical terms. Descriptive versus predictive analytics. Descriptive analytics answers what happened by analyzing past data. Predictive analytics answers what might happen next. By using statistical models and machine learning, together these approaches enable better data backend decisions. Correlation. Correlation shows the relationship between two variables. For instance, if marketing spend increases and sales also increase, that's a positive correlation. But remember, correlation does not imply causation. Normalization. Normalization is the process of organizing and scaling data to improve consistency and efficiency. In databases, it avoids duplication. In analytics, it makes numerical data comparable across different scales. Tools and reporting terms. SQL. Structured Query Language. SQL is a language that allows analysts to communicate with databases. It helps you retrieve, filter, and manage data quickly. For example, you might query all transactions where profit exceeds $1,000 in the past quarter. Dashboards. A dashboard is a visual display of important metrics using charts, graphs, and tables. Tools like Power BI, Tableau, or Google Looker Studio make it easy to transform raw data into meaningful insights for decision makers. Business insights and evaluation. Outliers. An outlier is a data point that differs significantly from others. It could be an error, or it might reveal something interesting, like an unusual high sale or a data entry issue. Understanding outliers helps improve data quality and model accuracy. ROI, return on investment. ROI measures the profitability and effectiveness of an investment. For analysts, calculating ROI helps evaluate the impact of projects or campaigns on business performance. That wraps up our session on the top 10 jargons every fresher data analyst should know. Understanding these key terms will give you a strong foundation and help you communicate effectively in any data-focused environment. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. It really helps Tech Bites with Leena reach more learners like you. You can also share this video with your peers or juniors who are starting their careers in analytics. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and continue exploring the world of data.